Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to discuss how to change the pressure valve, the safety pressure valve for the water boiler heater. This is the old one. I called my plumber. He wanted $600 to change this. I went to a bunch of plumbing stores and I didn't have it. So I went to Home Depot and I found this one. It's the same one. I'm going to show you the process. First thing you need to do is you have to shut off the valve, the water. You shut off the water. Then you have to drain. Come this way. The way you drain the system, you shut off all these. You shut off this, and then you shut off that. Once you do that, you open this. Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
You have to open it, and then you flip it going that way, and you drain all the water. We drained all the water. I dried everything, and now we're getting ready to install it. And then you have to put the tape. This item cost me $21.94. The plumber wanted $600 for everything. Now, very simple. First, you start. Come, I'm gonna show you. You start putting it in slowly. Make sure you get the teeth with the teeth. And start turning it slowly. Okay? And you keep turning it. And now that it's almost there, you keep turning it. With your hands you can do it, it's no big deal. Once you get it inside, the way you're going to get inside is with this. Okay? Look. Do it gently because there's electric here. There's a bunch of things. So you want to be, gentle. And really careful. Keep going. Okay. Gentle. Now, you have to be careful here. You see I'm grabbing from the bottom. We're doing one step at a time. There's a plumber, there's a pipe here that's in the way. Oh my God. Well, this is the right angle, but it's not all the way in. We want to make sure that it's all the way in so it doesn't leak. Because that was the whole problem, it was leaking. This is the first time doing this. So I'm not that experienced, but it's not rocket science. I cannot get around it. It's very difficult to get around. I need to get the angle so I can turn it. See? Now I'm gonna come underneath. Oh, good. Slowly. You getting this?
Mm-hmm.
I cannot get an angle to turn it more. It's really hard. Here. It's almost there, but we have to be gentle. Whew. Take a break. Here's the top. We need to get it all the way inside. It's almost there, but it's not quite. Not easy at all. Not easy. Cause you got, see. Yeah, see? Now, every time I gotta turn the key because it's different angles. Okay. Oh my God, I'm almost there. Just one more round. See, now I gotta open it again because I cannot get the angle. See? So guys, you see, it's not that complicated. It just takes patience, perseverance, you know? It's not something that's that should cost $600 to repair. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay. We're almost there. I'm showing you the techniques for beginners, how to do this. So you don't get into the, so you don't get scared, you know. Oh, something bent. Okay.
How do you know if it's done?
It's gonna lock, and also you see the white. It has to go all the way inside.
So that's how you know if it's locked?
Yeah, and when the white is all the way inside, the water cannot leak.
The white is the tape, right?
What?
The white is the tape, right?
Yeah, it's the Teflon tape that plumbers use. You know?
Nice to know.
And it's gonna stop. Once you're gonna keep trying to turn it, it's not gonna go anywhere. Why can't I catch the angle? I think that's it. It's done. It's all the way in. See?
Yeah, I could see there's like little bits of the tape, but like they're like markings of it. I could see like
Now we wanna strain it out. The thing is not straight. It's not level. So we wanna.
So what do you have to do to fix it?
Over here it's stuck. See, now it's straight. See, straight.
So now it's ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
And you see it's all the way inside. You got nowhere to go. Now we're gonna now stop. Wait, don't stop. So this is the complete job. You see? The whole thing cost me $21.95 plus the tape 99 cents. $22. Not $600. You can see, you can do it for yourself. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. Any questions, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment below.